When couples argue, it affects their kids. A lot of couples think that it doesn't affect their kids because it's something that just happens and it goes away. But kids absorb energies, they get the stress of two people that they love fighting, arguing, being oppositional with each other, and the aftermath of the argument lingers in the house. They absorb that energy, and however long it takes to make up and move forward to normalcy, whatever that is, kids absorb and they're affected. I want you to have the reality check that your kids are affected when you argue, and sometimes I know you can't help but argue in front of them or even behind closed doors. Sometimes they just get it. So what do you do to fix this? You talk to them. You tell them that it's okay if mama and papa fight once in a while because we don't agree on certain things, and it's okay that you are feeling the way you are feeling. Please validate their feelings, validate your own feelings so that you can move to honest communication with your child. It will help you immensely. It will help your child feel good on the inside, even though the situation outside might make them feel not so great.